Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my thumbnails. Pretty simple and easy. So click that subscribe button, leave a comment, and let's get started. So the two apps that I do use are Phonto and the Eraser app. Phonto app is really easy to use. You just click the camera icon and you click plain images. They do have a bunch on here, but I normally just go with the first one since I do edit it. And then I always make sure first that I change the image size. They do have plenty on here, but not any specifically related to YouTube thumbnail size. So I always make sure I hit custom, and then the thumbnail size for YouTube is 2560 by 1440. So I always make sure I do that before I start anything else on this app. Then you want to make sure you press color, and then they have plenty of color options. Like, they have so many. And you can also, they have preset patterns that you can choose from as well. So I'm just gonna find some colors, and you can add up to 5 colors to make your own pattern. So yeah, they have a lot of options, which I do like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that one. You click save and apply, and then you hit the little icon at the top and you click use. And next we are going to add some images here to the background. So I went into Safari, any browser that you use, and I just went ahead and typed in the Phonto app, and I clicked whatever one I wanted to use, and I added it to my photos. Same thing with the Eraser app. I did the same exact thing. Add both of those to my photos. I go ahead and go back and click those 3 little bars and click add image, and I will click the ones I want to use, and I click done. And you can resize any image that you add. You can tilt it, you can put a curve to it, you can change, well, I don't know, that's not necessarily the color for these, you can do that for the text. But you can also put them in different shapes. You can do different letters. You can change the transparency so you can make them look more see-through if you want to. And then next, I'm just going to go ahead and add text. So I'm just going to put Phonto. And then for the Eraser app, I'm just going to type Eraser. And to add text, you can literally tap anywhere on the background. And with the text, you can change the color, you can change the size, you can tilt it, you can move it, so you can center it to the background, but not specifically under the picture. And you can create like a shadow, so that's what I'm going to do next. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another text, and it's going to say how I edit my thumbnails. And they also have a plethora of fonts that you can choose from. There are so many, the list goes on and on. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Eraser app. I went ahead and added that thinking emoji to my photos. You go to the eraser app and you click the little icon in the top left corner. You pick whatever picture you want to click, and then you click erase. And we have two settings at the bottom, width and offset. So width is the size of the eraser, and offset is the second little dot at the bottom, how much ever you want to offset it. But I did use my Apple Pencil to help me with this, so I just took the offset all the way to 0, and I'm erasing just as much as I can. And you can also click the black in the top left corner, and that helps out a lot as well, so you can actually see more of what you're actually erasing. And you can also, while you're doing this, you can also zoom in on whatever image you're doing. You can rotate it and all that good stuff. So if you guys ever see my thumbnails and there's a picture of me in it, but I'm like on the background and there's no really like extra background besides myself, this is what I do to get that effect. And they also have a restore feature, so say if I erase too much of something, you just click that and the red appears, and you can go in with the eraser and it kind of just puts that part of the picture back together. And then when you're done, you just click done, and you click the icon in the top right corner. This app does have a lot of ads, and then you just click save, and it gets saved right to your camera roll. And then we're going to go back to the Phonto app, and we are going to click the little three dots, add image, click the most recent one, click done, and then bam, there it is. Just wanted to make it a little bigger in the middle, and I went ahead and I centered it with the move button and just moved it on down. And then I did decide to change the Phonto and the eraser back to white because it just looked more organized in my opinion. And that is the final look. So in the end, you click that at the bottom and you click save image, and you go to your photos, and there is your thumbnail. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to see more YouTube tips and tricks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.